If you have hooded or deep set eyes, you're going to love this makeup trick. One of my most asked questions here on YouTube is how I do my makeup. So today I thought I would share just the simple trick that really makes a difference and helps to open up my eyes and make me look a little bit more awake. I was recently sent the new Elizabeth Arden Drama Define Color Collection. Now I've been using these eyeshadows for a very long time. I find them really good because they're highly pigmented. They're also quite forgiving too. So if you're not a professional makeup artist, they're actually really easy to apply. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love you to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.
Now, because I've already applied a light foundation, I'm just going to use this new Performance Blurring Loose Powder, and it just blurs out any imperfections and creates a really nice base for my eyeshadow. And as you can see, this powder comes with its own sponge, but I like to apply it with a really nice big fluffy brush. So I like to take one of the neutral shades first and just apply a light dusting pretty much all over my lid. And as you can see, I love these soft, big soft fluffy brushes. I find them super easy for creating this look. Now here is the trick. Instead of applying the darker eyeshadow to the crease of my eye, I'm actually going above the crease. So nothing actually sits in the crease of my eye. I'm going above the crease and then bringing it down to the corner of my eye to create a sort of a V shape. So what you're trying to do is create the illusion that the crease of your eye is in fact much higher than it actually is. And because this is just an everyday look, I'm making sure to keep it really subtle. And then I'm grabbing the same fluffy brush and just dragging that under my eye, and that's just to really sort of smoke it out. And then with a small lining brush, I'm using the darker shade, just creating a little bit of a smudgy line. And this brush is perfect for doing that. And then I'm going back in with the fluffy brush and just making sure to blend everything out before going in with the light shade and putting that just on the ball of my eye. And that's to bring this part of your eye as forward as possible. And then I'm using this new High Drama eyeliner, and I'm using it to tight line my waterline. This one's good because it's got this spongy tip on the other end, which is great for blending as well. So what I do is I rest the pencil on my waterline and close my eyes onto it, and then just gently drag it halfway across the waterline. If you go the whole way, you do run the risk of it making your eyes look a little smaller than they are. So halfway I find works really well. And then the little rubber tip is great just for smudging everything out and making sure that you don't have any hard lines. And then it's time for mascara. I love the name of this one. It's called Standing Ovation Mascara, and it does make your lashes stand to attention. I could have curled them for a more dramatic effect, but for every day, it's not something I tend to do. So for an everyday makeup, I think this is really easy, and you can see that it does open up your eye.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love you to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, if you live in New Zealand, these products that I've used today from Elizabeth Arden are available at Farmers, and I will leave a link to them in the description box below.